Well, India is an amazing country.
But you have been working around the world. What is like your business areas where you focus on?
There was a lot of people still questioning and doubting. Many countries are using stem cells.
Princess, how's been India?
Well, India is an amazing country and such a big country with so much variety. And I enjoyed it. It's really
Fantastic.
nice.
So you keep coming here, or is this the first time that you came?
No, I've been to many cities already in India
Okay.
the last several years, and so it's exciting. And
Awesome.
Ahmedabad is my second time in
Okay.
many years, so I realize it's a very big city and many people, and it's about 8 million people,
Yeah.
and very spread out. And yes, so far I have really good experience being
Awesome.
here. Yes,
Great. It's
yes,
lovely to
yeah,
hear
yeah.
that. And we also, like a lot of people as a tourist, they go to France, which is your homeland.
Yes.
But you have been working around the world.
Yes,
So tell
yes.
our audience what has been you doing, what are the different places that you visited, and now what is your focus area?
Visited or lived?
Or lived or lived
yeah,
mostly
because
like-
I've lived in
Yeah.
Canada, I've lived in USA, and then the last many years I've been living in Hong Kong and then Thailand, and spent time around the region, all the other cities like
Fantastic.
Japan and Philippines and Vietnam and all the neighboring countries. Yes, Singapore a lot.
all South Asian countries are like you have covered most of them.
Yes,
Fantastic.
yes.
So what is like your business areas where you focus on, or right now where are you?
Right now, I'm dealing with different projects.
Mhm.
We have different projects that we are dealing in Thailand.
Okay.
And now, because it's going to be new, I'll
Mhm.
be starting to stem cell
Okay.
was a project that started many years ago.
Yes.
My interest. And I was fascinated by what it does, what is the future. It's no longer the future. It's here
It's
right
here,
now.
it's here,
It's
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So 10 years ago, there was a lot of people still questioning and doubting. And I had to do a lot of self-explanation. But now I've noticed that many countries are using stem cells.
Yes.
And of course, different method, different style. And then I'm very delighted to come to meet Dr. Darian Patel here in the city to visit his beautiful clinic.
Yeah.
It's a world-class clinic.
Yeah.
And then to discover all the new protocol that he has. And I think it's going to be absolutely amazing for all the patients.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great.